right, you guys, it's hole number 9. It's your last chance to decide. Ooh, she just won. She just shook her. Ooh. Okay, Guap's practicing. Yep, this is who I'm picking as caddy of the day, you guys.
Okay.
They're still encouraging. Guap hit a shot, and they still encouraging. She say, okay. All right, here we go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. So many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Caddy of the Day. Today, we're going to start with the locker room. Lockers and shower facilities are included in all the courses we play. So make sure to bring a spare set of skibbies and clean the salt off of your golfy balls. I mean, this is just like over the top, man. 5 caddies, 3 golfers. Number 33, though. Y'all already know.
They should have never gave you ninjas money.
Some brothers just be greedy. They want 2 caddies. They got 2 caddies each.
Just hit it over there.
All right, man. This is the signature hole, you guys, and there's nothing but water. You got to get right on the green, man. And I didn't get on the green. We're gonna see what El Guapo Beautiful Lies. Salute and salutations. Guap, can they get a salute and salutations?
Salute and salutations.
Hey.
Kaya, El Guapo's been pretty good off the tee today.
Yeah, he hit a nice one last one, you guys. We're gonna see what he did. Put the pressure on with the camera on. Ooh. Oh, he's to the right. He's leaking. Oh, ricochets off and into the water. All right, you guys, it's time to pick which caddy you like. Every shape, size, and color. And then, but at the end of the day, there's one. I can't make this up. The femininity, the innocence, the warm smile, and an impressive figure. Let's find out more about her. All right, this is my caddy today, you guys. Look who I got. You Thai, you Isan. Isan, baby. Isan caddies. Isan are the most prettiest caddies. As she leads me to the green, she checks to make sure I'm right behind her. Then, in the most feminine of ways, she saunters towards the green. Her hips, thighs, and legs does what looks like a coordinated swan dance. Caddies like this make you play golf better. I'm going for birdie. Also, the caddies like a good golfer. A skilled man that knows how to work his iron. Zoom tribers and Patreon members, this could be you.
ซ้ายนิดหน่อย ขึ้น
As we press forward, the round becomes more competitive. All of us hate losing, but losing in front of beautiful women takes losing to another level. There was tension in the air. Oh, and Guap missed. Ladies and gentlemen, El Guapo.
Struggling on the greens, man.
2 ดากใหญ่มาก2 ตูดใหญ่
Yeah, 2 ตูดใหญ่ใช่
ไม่ใหญ่ค่ะ
Oh, ใช่ไหมครับ A week later, he's in France, and now he's in Thailand. Oh, I would have fell in that joint. Guap, you would have laughed.
I want to let you do it. I want to let you do it.
Just look at her. Slow motion, please. This is what I'm talking about. They up in the trees looking for his ball, and they found it. So let me get this straight. You get to sit your butt in the cart while these two go and hunt your ball down for you?
It's the beauties of being me, baby.
All my golfers back home in the States, man, this could be you. Now, I gotta be honest, you guys. It costs extra when you get 2 caddies. You gotta pay extra. Yeah. Okay, she pointed there. Got a little Minnie Mouse bow. All right, Minnie Mouse, show me what's up. Watch how she get up. Cop. Let's put it in the hole, baby.
อุ้ย too much downhill
Oh, Now we sit here and take a break at the snack bar while the Thais try to figure out how old we are. How old are you? 25?
Yeah.
Ting Ting? You's the baby. You baby too? 21, oh. They understand that with the more melanated people, it's harder to tell. Part of the reason why I enjoy doing Caddy of the Day, because if you don't see for yourself, you probably wouldn't believe it. Excited about it, bro. First of all, you have 4 beautiful caddies. Second of all, they have the best attitudes in the world. And third of all, they're more excited to spend time with us than we are with them. You can't get this back in the Matrix. You know it, and I know it. That's nothing, you guys back home, man. You never have to go and get your own club. Like, watch this. You know what? Give me, Lex C. See what I'm saying? Lex C is a 4 iron. Lex means 4. But you never have to go back and get your own club. I just did that to make a point for you guys to see how good these caddies are. Now, which one? Really? Ting Ting? All right. All right. Meanwhile, the caddies have one of the golfers feeling like Rocky. This your first time in Thailand, your first time playing golf in Thailand. What you think, man? First, tell them where you from, because they need to know. I got a strong support system where you at. Where you from?
East Coast, United States, Maryland to be exact.
Hey.
First time in Thailand. But here's what I can tell you. First of all, you can see for yourself, the environment is awesome. The play has been awesome. The conditions are awesome. But we're actually having fun. You know, a lot of times back in the States, we're trying to do this and trying to do that and squeezing things in our schedules. And dude, time is standing still. We're with friends and we're having the time of our life.
Oh, you got a good shot, or it hooked to the left, but still, you'll be able to find that.
150.
150?
There it is.
Good shot.
Hey, power, power, my caddy like power. See you guys when you do Zoom Fest 2024. I'm gonna hook you up with a cool caddy. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to give y'all the information, pricing, and rundown for Zoom Fest 2024. 12 days, 11 nights, 2 or 3 cities, depending on your package, 1 special island, and embracing the thrill of a lifetime. This is a private annual event for my Zoom tribers and subscribers. Choose any 1 of 3 packages that can fit your lifestyle. First, we got the Ballin' on a Budget package, a no-frills way to enjoy the beauty of Thailand. The Ballin' on a Budget package comes with non-stop activities, transportation from the airport to your hotel in Bangkok, as well as a trip with the Travel OG from the Bangkok to Pattaya. Although this is our most basic package, it still includes non-stop activities, a 3 or 4-star hotel stay on or near the beach, as well as your own custom-made Zoom to Thailand shirt, 3 massages, and a haircut at Suni's Barbershop. Packages starting at $52.99. Military and Patreon members get an additional 5% off of this package. Next, we got the Hangover package. For those who want to go on a wild ride and have the option of visiting the Philippines as well as Thailand, in this package, you have the option of sharing a room with a buddy for the double occupancy rate, or you can have the Hangover package all to yourself. This is our most popular package, so make sure you get your plenty of rest and eat your Wheaties, you dig? The Hangover package also includes transportation to and from the airport, a tailor-made suit, or an outfit of your choice, of the material of your choice with your name on it, as well as a matching tie, pocket square, and a custom-fitted shirt with your initials on the sleeve. But that's not all. You'll also have exclusive entrance to the private yacht party, 4- and 5-star hotel stays in the Philippines, as well as Bangkok and Pattaya. But there's more. You'll also have access to the private dinner symposium, where you can meet and speak directly with Thai lawyers, real estate agents, and professionals giving you the latest and greatest info on starting a business, extended stays, moving, or retiring in Thailand. To me, this is the best part of the package, starting at $59.99 for the double occupancy rate. For those of you who are used to the finer things in life and you enjoy your privacy, This package is for you. The James Bond Executive Platinum Pack. This package includes just about everything with all the bells and whistles. 5-star hotel stays at the best hotels in the Philippines, Bangkok, and Pattaya. You also have the option of an additional stay at the private island, and you have access to exclusive private events only included in the James Bond Platinum Executive Package. You'll also have the option of private transportation to all major events. You'll have the option for 3 tailored suits with the material of your choice. With Lucky Tailor, one of the best in Pattaya, Lucky Tailor will come to your room for your initial fitting. But wait, there's more. On top of everything included in the Hangover package, in the James Bond package, you also have your own personal money penny, aka concierge service person, to pick you up from the airport and any additional questions that you might have, and will be on call for your first few days in Thailand. This is all included with the James Bond package, by the way. But there's more. If you decide to extend your stay in Thailand past your 30-day visa, we will arrange your visa extension through Thai immigration at no additional cost. And finally, on your last night in Bangkok, you will take a trip on the Chao Phraya River for a dinner night cruise for you and a guest. All of this is included in the James Bond Executive Platinum Package. And of course, all packages come with a private one-on-one consultation with the Travel OG, so I can help you fine-tune your trip for maximum results. The price for the James Bond Executive Package is $89.99. But now, make sure to get your tickets early. Flight tips and taxes are not included. But in the consultation, I'll even help you with your flight arrangements. We also offer additional services, such as arranging your own private yacht party and any other special requests you might have. So what are you waiting for? Payments can be made through PayPal or Cash App, Zoom to Thailand. Part of the proceeds will go to a charity here in Thailand, and if you have any other questions, email us, zoomtothailand@gmail.com. ZoomFest 2024, let's get it! You guys ain't gonna believe this, man. My shoe is flapping. She done MacGyvered my shoe. I guess the humidity got my shoe flapping. She done came with the OG rubber band. Oh, Cop. She MacGyvered my shoe. I didn't even ask for that, man. Cop. Thank you. We got the rubber band. That's gonna last me at least to the end of the round. Yeah? No boyfriend?
No.
You have baby?
Yeah.
How many?
1.
Till like what? How old?
7.
7? Oh, little baby, little neat noise. Y'all gotta write in and let me know which one y'all like, man. You got the young slim blonde. Young slim blonde right here. That's Slim Thug right there. Oh, I'm sorry, Guap. I'm talking to my people for Caddy of the Day. They gotta pick who their Caddy of the Day is. You got Slim Thug. You got the busty little cutie right here. Guap gonna be mad because I'm walking this. I'm sorry, Guap. I'm talking to my subscribers, man. We gotta know who the Caddy of the Day is. You got right here. Hey. Y'all know this one is. Yeah. You already know who my vote is. Tap in, let me know which caddy y'all pick. Hey.
One bite.
One not yet.
You got it, bro.
Long sa.
Let's do it. Here come mine. Hey. Yeah. She eating again. This one can eat, boy. She eat more than me. One leg, Mike, one. Oh, she getting down. Look at that. The chicken. Okay, baby. Eat what you want. You can eat whatever you want. Oh, yeah. That's how you like it? That's how you like it? Okay. All right. She like chicken. That's a good sign.
Here's what I will tell you. If you can get here, get here.
Shout out to my Caddy of the Day fans, man. This has been a pleasure. This is a first time using this caddy, man. She got a pleasant smile, sweet demeanor. She looks great in this outfit. How they do this in polyester outfits, I don't know, but she making it work. She knows she cute. She knows she cute. You know you so high, huh?
Need noise.
Need noise. She said she need noise so high. You see what I'm saying? Can't make this up, guys, but Anyway, man, all my people that rock with Caddy of the day, this is for you guys, man. What you see is what you get. Like, you can't make this up. They really be out here like this, man. Cute, fun, fit, feminine, friendly, submissive. I mean, what more could you ask for? You don't have to pick up your clubs. They carry your clubs, pick them up. They do everything. Rake the sand, find the ball in the bushes. I showed you guys. They do everything. This one is a starrer. Can you say starrer? Say starrer.
Star.
Yeah, that's you. Being back in Thailand feels like a warm shower on a cold day. I can wash all of that stress off from the Matrix and give my subscribers the motivation to save your money, book a consultation, and get your ass out here. Good vibrations only. All right, y'all. Last time El Guapo was on this here hole, he vowed when he came back, he'd be a whole different man. Yeah, that's one stroke right there. He got his cousin watching. He got the travel OG watching. No pressure on you, Guap, at all.
Feel pressure. I make.
Oh, I see what it is. He don't even do a practice swing. He just goes up there and rips it. Okay. There you go. This is for Guapito, y'all. There you go. It's to the right, but you got some good hit on it. But it's to the right. How do you say right, Guap? How you say right?
Side.
No.
Quad.
There you go. Tell him tell him, B, what is it? Yeah. If you guys like what we doing, man, make sure to like, subscribe, so you can see more caddies like this. Fit, feminine, friendly, submissive. Say hello, America.
Hello.
America.
Hello, America.
Hey, say hello, London.
Come to Thailand.
I'm Todd McMyer III, and I wish you and yours the best. And until the next time, I grant you peace, love, and theme music.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
If you want to go on a golf date, make sure to email me at zoomtothailand@gmail.com and type golf date in the subject matter. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Put the notifications to all, because you never know when we might do a pop-up in the middle of Thailand. You dig? All right, so one of you lucky Patreon members is going to get a chance to meet or say hello to Beer. Because my Patreon members rock with me hard, so I'm going to make sure I pay y'all back. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you say hello. Make sure you polite.
Hello.
Yeah. You single? Oh.
50-50.
Oh, she 50-50. Well, y'all get a 50-50 chance of talking to her then. She might be a player. And as our round comes to the end, we get the bag. They carry the bags. I can't make this up, man. They tuck you back in. Yeah. You want me to do it? I can put it in, baby. You want me to? You kick it?
No. I said, how many bags you want to put?
C. No, Sam. All the way in the back.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Hey.